Did you know that Hindu cosmology describes not just one world, but 14 distinct realms of existence? Imagine a universe where gods, demons, spirits, and humans all coexist across different planes of reality. These are the 14 lokas, a mind-bending concept that challenges everything we know about life, the afterlife, and our very place in the cosmos. In this video, we are diving deep into these realms, some of which could be closer to us than we think, and some might be farther than the farthest galaxy. Stay tuned. Hindu cosmology introduces a fascinating concept, the 14 lokas, or realms of existence. These are not just metaphysical, but also reveal profound insights into life, death, and the nature of reality itself. Let's break it down. In the Brahmanda Purana and the Bhagavata Purana, these 14 lokas are described. They consist of 7 higher lokas, extending up to Bhuloka, which are called Vyahritis, and 7 lower lokas, known as Patalas. 1. Satya Loka or Brahmaloka. The highest and most sacred realm, home to Lord Brahma, the Creator. This loka is often seen as the ultimate goal for those who achieve enlightenment. A place of absolute truth, it represents the pinnacle of spiritual evolution. 2. Tapa Loka, the realm of intense austerity and penance. Here, great sages and ascetics live in self-imposed solitude, seeking liberation through severe meditation. It's a place of purification. 3. Jana Loka, the realm where sages and learned beings dwell. These are the cosmic scientists, the enlightened ones who have mastered universal knowledge. They exist beyond the reach of worldly distractions. 4. Maharloka, home to sages like Manu and those who transcend earthly desires. It's a realm for high-level yogis and those who seek to elevate humanity through wisdom and moral conduct. 5. Swarloka or Swargloka, known as the heavenly realm, this is where gods and celestial beings like Indra reign. It's the destination for virtuous souls after death, but only temporarily, as life here is transient. Isn't it strange? We think of heaven as eternal, but in Hindu thought, even paradise has a shelf life. 6. Bhuvarloka, a realm between the earth and the heavens. It's a place where spirits and supernatural beings roam, and it represents the spiritual plane where our thoughts and emotions reside before they manifest on earth. 7. Bhuloka or earth, our very own earth where humans and other beings live. But here's the catch. It's considered the lowest of the higher lokas, the physical plane of suffering, where the soul gets entangled in the material world. 8. Atala Loka, a realm of great pleasures and indulgence, but at a price. While tempting, beings here are said to be trapped in sensual indulgence. It's a warning, the pursuit of only physical pleasure can hold you back from higher spiritual growth. Are you amazed by how these lokas so far? Share your thoughts in the comments below, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. 9. Vitala Loka, a place where beings experience intense desires, but with no way out. In this loka, there's no escape from material desires, symbolizing the consequences of living a life driven solely by lust and greed. 10. Sutla Loka, this realm is home to the demon king Bali, a figure of strength and pride who was sent here after a celestial war. It's a place for those who have great power but lack the wisdom to use it properly. 11. Taltla Loka, a place of darkness ruled by the demon Maya. It represents the deepest ignorance, a state where individuals are bound by their own delusions, unable to see the truth of the universe. 12. Rasatla Loka, a realm where evil beings dwell, and it's associated with powerful beings like the snake demons. This realm represents the negative forces that bind souls to the material world through fear and malice. 13. Patala Loka. The lowest of the realms, filled with serpents and dark beings. It's often depicted as hellish, yet some scriptures suggest that beings here have access to immense powers. Could it be that the lowest realm is where we find the greatest hidden potentials? 14. Adholoka. The deepest, darkest realm of suffering, typically considered a place for those who have reached the lowest point of existence. It's the ultimate representation of the separation from the divine, a spiritual black hole. So, there you have it, the 14 lokas, each representing a different level of spiritual development, karmic consequence, and metaphysical state. From the highest realms of Brahma to the deepest depths of Patala, these lokas challenge our concept of life and afterlife. But here's the question, are these realms literal, or are they metaphorical? Could the 14 lokas be symbolic representations of the internal spiritual battles we all face? If you want to dive deeper into this ancient knowledge, make sure you subscribe, like, and share the video. Until then, remember, the universe is much bigger and more mysterious than we can even begin to comprehend.